Did you ever hear that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis? Many believe it's harmful, but let's dive into the facts. Scientists have studied this common habit closely. Research shows no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis development. The cracking sound is caused by gas bubbles bursting in the joint. Repetitive knuckle cracking might cause swelling or reduced grip strength in some cases, but it's not the arthritis trigger. So next time someone warns you, you'll have the knowledge to share. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.